My name is Tuz. I work as a chef. I have worked here for 2 years in the InterContinental Hayman Island Resort. Here in Hayman Islands, I can meet lots of people. They are all very friendly, supportive. As soon as I know my roster, I have plans with my friends, and I can go for hiking, snorkeling, sometimes just lie on the beach and watch sunset. We have 5 restaurants in Hayman Islands. My favorite restaurant is Aquas because they have such a beautiful view. You should come to work in Hayman Islands because you can learn and grow. Not many places you can integrate a lot of knowledge from here. They bring a lot of chefs from around the world to our kitchens. They're from Italy, they're from France, they're from Israel, they're from Sri Lanka. All of them here for me, and I here for them. And we're not just like a worker, we like a family here.